Students, we would be talking about cranes right now. Cranes are used particularly for moving very heavy loads such as metal bars within a predetermined area. So cranes are actually the material equipment that is used for handling metal bars or heavy equipment in a warehouse. Although their movement would be restricted or limited, but they are primarily used for lifting and moving different heavy loads. We have an important type of a crane which is known as Jib Crane. These are used for moving loads within a restricted area, such as in the vicinity of the workstation. So when there is some light assembly work, let's say, going on, or when there is, let's say, bulk breaking is going on in some area of a warehouse, we call it a workstation. So they are used for that vicinity, for that restricted area, because their movement cannot be too much flexible. Overhead traveling cranes. These are often used in workshops to move heavy loads anywhere within the building units. So overhead traveling cranes are used by workshops, and usually the maintenance equipment or the equipment that has to be moved from one place to another would be actually moved through the overhead traveling cranes. You must note that overhead traveling cranes can move in the whole building unit. They normally comprise one or two beams that span the distance between the rails fitted high on the two walls of the building. So maintenance or any building constructing things in a warehouse would be done through these traveling cranes. Then we have gantry cranes. These are similar to overhead traveling cranes but have upright and run on rail fixed to the ground. So what actually happens, they don't have the beams which are usually horizontal for the traveling cranes. They have upright beams, and they would be fixed with the rail on the ground. So they would be moving on that rail. So of course they would have a restricted movement. And with these type of cranes, we can also attach different hooks, clamps and magnets or pigeonhole type of a material. So truck attachments, which we have reviewed before, these type of attachments can also be attached with these cranes. Thank you.